If you live on a farm, a rural property, a small holding, or a house where electricity keeps tripping and Wi-Fi doesn't reach outside, this camera is going to solve all your security problems. Today we're checking out the SPM-T Series triple lens AI solar PTZ camera. It runs on solar power only, works with 4G SIM card or home Wi-Fi, no hard wiring needed at all. Most solar cameras only have one lens, but this one has 3 separate cameras built into one unit. With full 4K resolution. Stick around, I'll unbox it, walk you through all the features, set up the phone app, test the night vision and human detection, and show why this is the best off-grid CCTV for South African homes and farms. First thing you notice is the huge solar panel on top. This is not a tiny cheap panel. It charges a large rechargeable internal battery, so even on cloudy winter days here in SA, the battery lasts weeks without direct sunlight. The main unit has 3 independent lenses, 2 fixed side cameras plus 1 motorized PTZ center lens that pans 360 degrees horizontally and tilts up and down. The body is heavy-duty, waterproof plastic, fully weatherproof for rain, dust and harsh outdoor conditions. 2 long antennas, one for Wi-Fi signal, one for 4G cellular connection. There's no power cord coming out of this camera whatsoever, completely wire-free installation. Inside the box you get wall mounting brackets, screws, reset pin and a quick start guide. The app is available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Super easy for beginners. Let's go through every function one by one. First, HD video recording saved either to an SD card inside the camera or cloud storage. Second, instant alarm push notifications straight to your cell phone the second a person walks onto your property. It has smart humanoid detection. It ignores animals like chickens, goats and dogs, only alerts you for people, which stops endless false alerts. Third, full 360-degree pan tilt monitoring. You control the center lens directly from your phone and even use digital zoom to read number plates far away. Fourth, 2-way bi-directional speech. You can talk through the camera to anyone outside, great for warning trespassers or speaking to workers on the farm. Fifth, infrared warm full-color night vision. Most cheap solar cameras only have black and white night view, but this one stays colorful after dark with built-in LED lights. And the biggest selling point, dual connectivity. Use Wi-Fi if you have internet at home, or pop in a local South African SIM card and run purely on 4G, no Wi-Fi required at all for remote viewing anywhere you are. Whether you're at work, town or away on a holiday, simple DIY installation. Drill 4 screws onto a wall or pole, mount it and it's done in 5 minutes. No electrician needed. Perfect for outdoor yards, parking areas, gardens, camping sites, construction sites and remote farmlands. Now let's open the V380 Pro application. Pairing takes less than 1 minute. When you open the live stream, you see all 3 camera views at once on your mobile screen. The middle PTZ camera, you slide your finger on the phone screen to turn left, right, up and down. Full VR panoramic viewing. When a person triggers the motion sensor, my phone immediately pops up a notification with a snapshot and a short video clip saved automatically. I can press the microphone button and speak out loud through the camera speaker. You can hear how clear the audio is. The recording runs non-stop or only records when movement is detected to save battery life. You can add multiple family members to access the camera, so your whole household can watch remotely. Switching between Wi-Fi mode and 4G mode is very simple in the settings menu. For people living in areas with load shedding every single day, this camera never switches off because it does not rely on municipal electricity at all. Many farmers message me asking for CCTV that works far away from the house, and this triple lens model covers a massive wide area that single lenses cameras cannot match. Let's test the night mode quickly. When it gets dark outside, the warm LED lights switch on automatically, and the picture stays bright full color instead of grainy black and white. The 3 lenses cover such a wide angle, left side view, right side view, plus the movable main camera that looks deep down your driveway or field. Phoebes target properties without electricity and Wi-Fi, and regular wired cameras stop working during load shedding. This AI solar camera runs 24 hours non-stop, year-round. I've installed these at small farms, guest houses, parking lots, and rural homes all over Gauteng and surrounding provinces. The SPM-T range also has a 4-lens version, if you need even wider coverage, but this triple lens gives the best balance of quality and price. The battery lasts roughly 2 to 3 months on a full solar charge in winter, and lasts many months during sunny summer months. You don't need to climb up to recharge it manually. The solar panel keeps topping up power every day. If you're tired of unreliable wired CCTV, load shedding killing your security system, or needing surveillance where there's no power and internet, this 3-lens 4G solar PTZ camera is the ideal choice.